Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 20th of January 2023. Crypto's pretty flat so far in the trade today. It's been a pretty quiet past 24 hours if truth be told. You can see there Bitcoin did have a few goals in the end at that level we talked about in yesterday's brief at 21,125, 1230, around about there. You can see a few attempts on the hourly time frame and rejections a few weeks pointing just above there, trying to break, failing to get a close. Just showing that there are some sellers around about this level here. Probably the main line in the sand if we're talking about one from the session ahead, but you can see so far this week, if the truth be told, it's been a very consolidatory week overall. Genesis has filed for bankruptcy, Chapter 11 bankruptcy over in the US. That was something that was has been one of the main news headlines this week in the crypto space, but nothing market moving there as of yet. Ripple super flat over the past week, even past almost 2 weeks of trading now. Nothing much going there. 40 cents proving to be a pretty challenging level to get through overhead, and 0.3870 providing some mean reversion this week so far. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, you can almost print each one on top of each other and they'd be more or less identical. You can see that consolidation between around 1600 and 1500 so far this week. So it's been a nice 100-point range. Main level there today, 1550, right bang in the middle of the two. Litecoin as well, over the past 24 hours, relatively quiet as you can see. 85 is probably the round number that we need to see a break above. We did see an intraday rejection there. This was right at the end of yesterday, I think. Yeah, no, that's been this morning. Sorry about that. Yeah, that was through the Asian session this morning. So rejection around 85, just retesting that again now. But nothing new to report there. You can see this has been a level which we've had some support off, some resistance so far today, and a move to the downside. If we can't get through there, could be on the cards. Looking at around the 80 handle initially before 75 from there. Just to double check, I don't think there's anything else market moving today that I wanted to report to yourselves. So I'm just going to run across my desk now just to make sure. Yeah, Genesis is basically taking up all the headlines, to be honest. But it does look like all the bad news regarding Genesis has already been priced in, because we're not seeing any moves off the back of that today over the past few days, to be fair. So yeah, I'll leave it there for today. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Take care and bye for now.